Imagine setting sail on a journey, but over time, your ship drifts off course because of changing winds. What do? You adjust the sails to stay on track. The same goes for your investments. Without regular checks, your portfolio can drift into risky waters or miss out on growth opportunities. That's where portfolio rebalancing comes in. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about portfolio rebalancing, a simple yet powerful strategy that can help you maximize returns and minimize risk. Stick around because we'll also show you a free calculator and a step-by-step checklist to make rebalancing super easy. What is portfolio rebalancing? Your investment portfolio is like a pie with different slices: stocks, bonds, cash, and more. Over time, some slices grow bigger, like equities in a bull market, while others shrink. This changes your risk level and could throw you off track from your financial goals. Rebalancing simply means bringing your portfolio back to its original mix. If you started with 60% stocks and 40% bonds, but now it's 70-30, you sell some stocks and buy bonds to reset the balance. It's like hitting the reset button on your investments. Why rebalancing matters? Did you know? A 2022 study found that over 60% of Indian mutual fund investors never rebalanced, costing them better returns and exposing them to unnecessary risk. Meanwhile, research shows that disciplined rebalancing can boost returns by 0.5% annually. How to rebalance? Step by step. Rebalancing doesn't have to be complicated. Here's a simple 4-step process. First point, review your portfolio, check current allocations. Second point, assess goals and risk. Has anything changed? Third point, decide when to rebalance, time-based or threshold-based. Final point, execute, buy, sell assets to restore balance. And guess what? We've made it even easier for you. In our blog, link below, you'll find a free portfolio rebalancing calculator that does the math for you. Just plug in your numbers, and it'll tell you exactly how to adjust. So, are you ready to take control of your investments? Rebalancing might sound technical, but with the right tools, like our calculator and checklist, it's a breeze. Check the description for all the resources, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our finance tips. Just download a copy of checklist, link is given in description.